Okay, so the first thing we need to highlight is what mutually exclusive means. It means that A and B can't happen at the same time, so it's either A or B. So the formula for mutually exclusive events says if we've got the probability of A and we've got the probability of B, to find the probability of A or B, all we do is add them together, and it's that simple. So we've got a probability of A plus the probability of B is equal to the probability of A or B. Now we're given this, and we're given this, and we're asked to find this. So to do that, we're just going to do 0.36, and we're going to take away 0.12, which will be 0.24, and we can check that. Let's just put in 0.24. 0.24 plus 0.12 is 0.36. Now the notation P brackets A just means the probability of, that's all the P brackets means. So our answer is 0.24.